गोंयांत आसा तशी लायट, उदक आणि कराचे दर खंयच्याच राज्यांत नात. गोंयांत सगळे दर कमी आसात अशें मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी 2017-2018 चो अर्थसंकल्प विधानसभेत सादर केले उपरांत पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगला. बजेटांत खूब कमी ताण आशिल्ल्याचें तांणी मुखार सांगला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
हायलायट्स फायनान्शियल सायडीच्यान 202 कोटी सरप्लस 202 कोटी ना 202 रेवेन्यू सरप्लस बजेट with fiscal deficit parameters coming down to as low as 2%, 827 crores. I think we are meeting all parameters including debt GDP ratio. हांव अनेकदा मिडियान काही कॉमेंट्स पळयत आसता. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आमी एकदा अभ्यास वर्गूय करुया. पॅरामिटर्स तकलेन धरून मागीर कंपेर करपाचें आसता. लोन आसतलेच न्हय, एब्सोल्यूट नंबरा करता कांयच ना. म्हाका अनेक सरकारी नोकर मेळटा ते सांगतात की 10 years when I joined government I was getting 160 rupees salary. The same person when he is retiring he is drawing 1,80,000 salary. So money value changes. So absolute amount is not important. What is important is percentage of certain ratio. Revenue surplus असलं की it is good budget. Then again you have to take into consideration fiscal deficit. It should not exceed 3% of GDP. These are parameters of financial indicators. अंदू ग्रोथ साधारण 11.3% आसा जात अशी प्रोजेक्शन आमचे. पोरूची ग्रोथ 10% वयर आशिल्ली, पहिल्या वर्साची 10% वयर आशिल्ली at current prices. There are some reports in media I saw which are wrong because they were comparing two different footpatties. All norm of growth is by current prices and not constant prices.
You have changed the base now, right?
Base change zalis, but even within the base there are two parameters. One is called as constant price formula. That means every item is reduced to the price of 2011-12. ग्रोथान दोन भाग असता, एक इन्फ्लेशनरी ट्रेंड and pure growth. दोघांची total is your growth. So if you deposit, for example, if you deposit money in bank and if you get more interest than the inflation, then you are adding to your capital. But if you get less money as interest from the bank than the inflation, then actually degrow जाता तुझे पैसे. So at current fixed rate, at constant price is where inflation is taken out of according to data. The service tax paid in Goa and excise is about 1,600 crores. 1670. The list of various government service costing from across India, I am ready to challenge. We are cheapest on water, we are cheapest on electricity, we are cheapest on petrol and most of the commodities required for essential service.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.